So if you want to add a font with your VBA code, how would you do that? Well, let's see how I do it. Good morning. All right, turn on this highlighter. This morning I got up and let's see, who is this? Jana Gonza asks, so is it possible to embed the custom font in the form or report to ensure all PC when font is not installed on PC? Well, you're gonna need to install it. Alright, so if the font doesn't exist on the PC, you first have to install it. Alright, and that's not too hard to do. Okay, evidently there is a function that we can use to install the font. You can just copy and paste into the Windows folder that violates the Microsoft the code. So to overcome the error when you cannot copy the font into the Windows folder, there is a function. Let's go find it. Let's go find the function. I think the function is called add source. Let's see. Yeah, add source font. I think that's the function. Okay. I'm gonna have to use another browser. I am on the invisible IP. So let me open up my other browser. Let's try this guy, add source font. So I've got the IP internet blocker on my PC, so I couldn't use the Microsoft Edge. But let's look for add font source. I think there is a function called add font source. Let's see. Let's do this. Microsoft. Add source font. There is a add source font, I believe. Add source font. Come on. Let me see this guy. That is the executable command. That is an old command. I remember that. We use this before the this command. This poor little snippet. This is before Windows. Wow, that's way back when. Holy moly. Yeah, that's a executable command. You have to compile it, and then you can execute it. You write this little snippet to a command prompt and save it. Oh yeah, that's an old one. That's an old one. Way old. I remember that prior to Windows came about. But there is a fun. Hold on here. I remember this. Done this a while back. There is a library called add source font. Well, you know what? Let's go to let's do this. Let's go to Microsoft. What is it? Microsoft something. Let's do Microsoft. How about Microsoft How To library? Let's try this guy. It's a search here. Let's try add source font. Okay. Well, let me do this. Let me turn off my IP blocker here. Let me turn off my IP blocker. And then probably better if turn that guy off, and hopefully I can access the this guy right here. See that? It's an add font resource. I was looking for the wrong thing. But this is the function that we can use. Now, if you see this right here, WinDGI here, that is the C++ header file. H right there. That's the header file for the C++ programming. But we can do this right here. We can do this right here. Add font resource A. Add font resource A. This is a C++, but we are going to make it a VBA function. That way we can use it in our program. All right. So wonder if we could find the VBA version of it. Let's see if we can find a VBA version of it. About VBA. How about VBA? Well, anyways, I think we can do without looking for it. Oh, here. Yeah. Here's a super user. Oh, this is the Yeah, right there. That is what we want. Add font source. That's all. It's add font source. Alright, let's see what it's gonna take us to. Let's click on this add font source right here. It's still C++ function, but we can do this. So this add font source, let me see. Check it out. Let me see. Oh, that's H. That's another form. It's the same thing here. It's a GDI 32 DOL. This GDI 32 DOL right there. That's what we are interested in. That is exactly what we are interested in. This is how the GDI is a graphic interface. All right. So we're gonna create this function, this GDI to install our font. Let's go ahead and open up our Access, and then let's create blank database. Oh darn! Let's close that out. I don't want that. I want to do it differently. And it just I went too fast. I want to show you. You need to blank database, and then right here, let's go to our favorite folder. We're gonna put this application in our program here, programming access project folder here. Let's call this guy add program add access font. How about access font? There you go. That's good. Let's go in there and it's called add access font application. Now you want to call this differently, that's up to you. I'm just going to call that, and then go and create. All right. First off, you need to know where your application is. All right. So what I want to do here, let's go to our create tab here. Let's go to module. We are going to name this guy about access form application. That should be good enough. Let's go ahead and save that. Save. The library, the GDI library, basically it is yeah, let's make this guy private. Let's see, we're gonna need to declare ptr save, and then we're gonna name this application this function add source font, or you can name whatever you want. And then we're going to invoke the library. It is a GDI 32 DLL. All right. Also, we are going to give it an alias. Now, an alias is the library file name. So the library file name is s font resource A. So this is the library file name at font resource A. That's the library name, library function name, and we're gonna need to pass in the font that needs to be installed. So let's give this guy source, let's call source font path. There you go, as string. And then this function, this add font resource a function, is a function. Therefore, we need to add a return type as long. That's it. Oh, forgot to name it a function. My bad. There you go. So that's basically it. Alright, that is basically it for that declaration. Now we need to add our function. Alright, so function add, we'll call this guy application font. Add application font. And then this application font is going to return a boolean. Alright. Yeah, let's think about the logic here. Think about the logic, how we're gonna do this. How about let's add another function, another variable to identify if the font is installed or not. So let's call this the already installed as boolean. Alright, so we got two types identified. Now we will need to have source font. Source font as string, and then we're gonna have to yeah. Let's think about this, see how we're gonna manipulate these things. Let's think about this. String, you know what, I'm gonna change that. Let's try this. Yeah, that's good. No, source font, that's fine, that's good. We're gonna do this. Alright, we're gonna identify if we're gonna set this guy first. Source font equals Windows \font \, and then the font will go under there. All right. Let's do this. I've got this. Let's take a look at this guy. Let's take a look at this guy. Yeah, let's go to my other one here. Here's a font. We are going to see this 3 of 9 new TTF. Let's take a look at that guy. Let's go to font settings right here. If you can't see that, just type in font settings. Type in font settings. See there? Open that guy up. We're gonna look for 3 of 9. Let's see, we have 3 of 9. 3 of 9 somewhere. Well, hold on. Let's do this. Let's install this guy. If you double click on this guy and install, and then close it. See there? That guy is there. That guy is there. Now let's do uninstall. Done. It's gone. Let's do 3. We don't see it. It's gone. Alright, and that's a different one. So let's go let's see what else. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this guy right here, copy this font, copy, and then go to all application folder. Let's drop it in there. Now we got it there. So now I'm gonna get this name, copy that guy, and then back to the all application. I'm gonna put that there, right there. All right, right there. So we're gonna validate if this guy is there or not. This guy is there or not. So let's try this. See if it's go. Let's see what we're gonna do here. If source font equals VB no string, then so if it doesn't exist, that means it's no string. If it doesn't exist, we want to say, oops, we want to say S source font equals application current project dot path, and then we're gonna add this guy in there, and that will be all false. All right. Now you see how I have this guy right here. So the only time it's going to come in here is when this guy doesn't exist. So if it doesn't exist, we're going to say source hold on. If it doesn't exist, we want to say we gotta get another variable in there. You see that? We're going to say long is added, or long added. That's fine. Added as long. We gotta add that variable. That variable will be the same type as that guy, and then we're gonna say added equals add source font. You see that? Add source font is right here. That's the name of the function. And then we're going to say source font. You see that? And once that is done, then we can say already installed equals true. All right. Also true. So if this guy is empty, that means it doesn't exist in here. Install it. Otherwise, it means it's already installed. And that's how that works. That's how that works. So now we need to add a form to make a call to this. Add a form to make a call to this. I'm going to save that. So let's go to the front end. We're going to go to form design, and this form does nothing other than running our code. So let's save. Call it initial live application. Alright, and this form unload, and then unload is going to say if access form application. See this guy right here? See there? If yeah, if application font added, then we want to do command open form. New command open form. All right. So this will be our main form here. Main menu. Save. We don't have main menu. Let's go add main menu. Create. This is the main menu right here. So I'm just going to add the label here. Just simulate our main menu. Alright. So let's call this is a main menu. Alright. And we're going to make this guy big. How about 38 big? There you go. And then this guy will be center. And it will be bold. And then let's change his font to red so that we can know. Yeah, this is the main way. And let's save this one. Save main menu. That's it. Alright. So now on application load, we want to call this guy. See this main menu right here? Got to do one thing. Once this guy is loaded, I forgot to do this thing. Once this guy is loaded, right there, we want to say do command close. It's an AC form, so we'll do that, comma, and then object name, which is form in initialize application. That's all it is. So the first thing that it's going to do is going to call this guy. Well, if this guy is this application is already installed, then it's going to open this form, which is the main menu. And the main menu, once it's open, it's going to say, okay, now go close initialization form. Alright, so let's double check our code. Oh, right here. And then copy. I forgot here. See, we got to make sure that we assign this guy equals be already installed. See this guy? That will tell us whatever this guy is right here. Alright, whatever that guy is. Save. Alright, last thing before we run this program is go to a file, options. Let's make all current database here. Let's make this guy run, open this guy on load. Okay, so there you go. Alright, let's see if that works. Close that down, and then this application right here. Alright, let's open it up and see if it works. Let's try it. Wrong one. Oh, copy, mistype. There. Save. Continue. Main menu is misspelled. Main. Oh, F or M. My bad. Misspell. Continue. Good. Good. Did you see that? The only time it could open this one is when everything else runs through. Wow, that was without a glitch. That is without a glitch. That's good. Well, let's see if it's there. Oh, there you go. See, it showed up right away. You see there? Look at that. See there? Holy moly. That's how you do it, mister. That's how you do it. It's not big at all. If you've done this in the past, and you kind of remember, trying to bring back your memory, and you can go to the resource that you remember. But that's how you do it. That is how. So if you're going to deploy this application, you just want to make sure that you have this the font in the application folder. All right, in the application folder. All right, and that's all you have to do. All right, we're gonna try one more time. I'm gonna go close that down, and I'm going to well, it's not there. 3. It is. Let's try that again. Hold on. Got this font right here. Let's double click on this guy. Install. It just creates different signature, I guess. So I'm going to double click on this guy. See there? Uninstall. Done. And if I type in 3, oh, it's still there. But it's, and we know it's gone. We know it's gone. I guarantee you, we know it's gone. It's not there. It's not there. Let's there. Somehow this file does not replace. You see how it's got 2 fonts right here? So if I type in, or if I click on that guy, so let's try opening up that guy again. Type 3 in there, uninstall. Now if I uninstall, I go back, this guy still says it's there, but there's no uninstall button. That means it's not there. Okay, so gotta remember that. Let's go uninstall. All gone. All right, but this guy is still there. Okay, so if I go over here, I could type 3. It shows up, but it's not there. So how do you know it's not there? It does not have an uninstall button. See there, it does not have an uninstall button. Okay. Yeah, I want to get rid of the whole thing here. How do you do that? Bet you have to restore your application Windows to get rid of this thing. This thing is sitting in the system file folder here. That's why it shows up. But we know it's not there. Alright, so let's try to verify that it's not there. I'm going to expand this guy. Let's verify that it's not there. Windows, fonts. Let's go see. We know it's not there. Let's do 3 of. That's free. That's different. Alright, that's free. That's different. See how it's not there? We know it's not there because we cannot find it. You see? We know it's not there. Alright, so let's do that. We're gonna run our application now. Go back. We're gonna run our application. And our application will install this guy. Alright, so let's run. Main menu, that means it install. So let's go to the folder here and go back to the form. You know what? I need to open up different. I'm going to keep that there. Let's open another Windows Explorer. And we're going to type in C font right here. And then I want to find out if that font is there. Continue. You see there? Oh, it's not there. But we know it's there. We know it's there. It already installed. We know it's there. Right? We know it's there. But anyways, that's how you add the font. Okay? We know it's there. Because we try here, so I can do this. I can do this. Alright, we're gonna find this guy right here. in this folder. So if it doesn't come in here, that means it's already there. Alright, if it does not come into this, that means it's already there. I'm going to put a stopper there. Alright, so let's try it. Let's run it again. Initialize. So it comes in here. Alright, we're gonna see where it goes. F8. It comes in there. F8. Well, so 1 is added. L added. And then we'll continue. That's that. That's how you do it, mister. That is how you do it. Alright? Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.